Hello, this is Blaž, and I am currently on the top of the memorial of the partisans on Golot. That's the hrib, whatever, the hill in the middle of Celje, in the town where I used to grow up. And I came here many times with my good friend at the time, and we came up here to hang and drink alcohol and listen to music, and we had a very nice view over the city, and it was like, this is kind of the best memory of my teenage stuff because there wasn't much going on in my life when I was a teenager, so I just had time today and I came here again, and some memories came up and pictures and stuff like that, and I made some sort of forgiveness about that, and so I'm just here now, and it's cool. It's like kind of nostalgic and cool. I don't have any energy and that kind of stuff going on anymore. I'm just here and enjoying being here, and it's very cool. And I'm eating my peanuts, and that's it. Very nice. Thank you very much.